The whole kit and caboodle, it's in disrepair. There's nowhere to go if not here. Little captains and cuckoos from here to Timbuktu, they're counting their dough in the mirrors, singing Rooty, toot, toot for the moon. It's the biggest star I've ever seen. It's a pearl of wisdom, a slice of green cheese. It's burning just like kerosene. It's burning just like kerosene. You know, all of us are primates, and some of us were classmates, and some of us were lovers in the fall. There were periods of blondness, and periods of fondness, and periods that never came at all. Singing Rooty, toot, toot for the moon. It's the biggest star I've ever seen. It's a pearl of wisdom, a slice of green cheese, burning just like kerosene. Burning just like kerosene. So God bless motorcycles and far out heavy trifles. You know you can't memorize Zen. Hang your hat on your nose, don't hide in your clothes. Kiss a moose, begin to begin. Singing Rooty, toot, toot for the moon. It's the biggest star I've ever seen. It's a pearl of wisdom, a slice of green cheese, burning just like kerosene. Burning just like kerosene. I'm gonna go down the seawall and watch if the sky falls. See the stars splash in the sea. I'll sing to the fishes, make starry-eyed wishes while playing my ukulele. Singing Rooty, toot, toot for the moon. It's the biggest star I've ever seen. It's a pearl of wisdom, a slice of green cheese, burning just like kerosene. Burning just like kerosene. One more time. Singing Rooty, toot, toot for the moon. It's the biggest star I've ever seen. It's a pearl of wisdom, a slice of green cheese, burning just like kerosene. Burning just like kerosene.